Bro, everybody is gonna sell you something. Your favorite guru is gonna sell you something, and I'm talking about the Xander Stage, the Iman Gatsis, the even Alex or Mosi. Like all of these guys are actually gonna sell you something. Like, and I'm telling you this because like a lot of people been complaining about like like everybody's selling something like courses and whatnot. Like, look, bro, like this is the new economy, so it's really just to actually sell something online. Why do they do it? Because it's the easiest way to actually make money nowadays. Because if you have an audience, you can pretty much leverage that to your advantage in order to sell stuff. And that's a reality. The Luke Belmars, bro. Even the OGs as you call them. Shut up, bro. Like this guy Luke Belmar and Sam Oven, everybody's actually gonna sell you something. So just adapt to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you shouldn't be like, demonizing the fact that people are trying to sell you something because it's really not that bad. You know what they're doing, pretty much like shortcutting, your success basically. Because if they have a good track record, they will pretty much gonna sell you something. However, you need to be very careful and ask the following question: do they actually know what they are talking about? Do they have a proven track record? And I'm telling you this because like a lot of you guys, even myself, like I used to follow these guys and be like, oh my god, like they have such a strong social proof and whatnot. And I'll tell you something: a lot of people actually either fake the results or they promise things that they cannot fulfill. So you need to be very careful who has the best offer. And because nobody's gonna guarantee you something, but you need to be very careful who you're choosing, because at the end of the day, if you're just trying to complain because somebody's selling you something, like forget about it. Like stop watching YouTube and all that stuff. But that's not the way it works. Like actually I purchased different programs, courses, and everything, and it's working. I'm trying to sell stuff too, like eventually, you know what I'm saying, because that's the new economy, the attention economy. So might as well adapt it or die.